Welcome to our YouTube channel Ritik Classes. We are here with an interesting topic, what is Python? In previous video we knew that how to download Python, but very less learners knew that what is Python. So let's start our video and discuss about what is Python. Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language. It is a coding language which is used to make apps, games, and so more. Python is not only one programming language. Here are some other programming languages like Java, JavaScript, C++, Perl, etc. Let's discuss about Python. It was designed by Guido van Rossum in 20 February 1991, nearly 32 years old, and it works in Windows, Mac, Linux, Unix, and Android and more, which is good for us. Why Python? Why Python? We choose Python because it is easy to learn and understand. It works in Windows, Mac, Linux, and other operating system, and it is free. App made with Python are Spotify, Instagram, Facebook, Quora, and so more. It seems that it is enough for today. I will meet you in the next video of this interesting series. Keep watching if you seem the video helpful.
So please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.